This is Math 100. This is Just Math Y'all channel. Glad you joined us. Math 100, Simplifying Radicals. We did video one for simplifying radicals, and we talked about how to do this. We prime factor, we pull out the twins, we put back together, and this was what we called the crazy mama analogy. And so now we're going to move into some more examples here. Simplifying radicals. This is video number 2 in the series. Please make sure you watch them in order so it makes sense. This one is video number 2. Okay, the steps were in the previous video. The first step is to prime factor. So I'm going to prime factor this. This is 8 times 9. Now x to the third is just 3 of them multiplied together. Okay, you won't always have to do that, but I'm showing it to you now. And so now let's keep doing this. This will be 4 times 2, and this is 3 times 3. The 4 keeps going. Bring down that 2, bring down that 3, bring down that 3, and then all of our x's. So there we go. So we have all of our factored out. Okay, so the first step was to factor it all the way out, and then we're going to pull out twins. This is a square root. That didn't supposed to come up. There we go. This is a square root, and so on a square root, we're going to pull out pairs. So when I pull out a pair, there's a pair of 2's, there's a pair of 3's, and there's a pair of x's. And remember, Crazy Mama's not going to let you out unless you have a partner to go with. And so those had partners. They have to dress alike. They have to stick together like glue. They have to stay in the same car. They're constantly together. All right? Now the 2 and the x are left. They don't get to go anywhere. They do not get to get out of the house. And so now this, when I put it all together, is going to give me 6x out of the house and a 2x in the house. And that is my simplified radical form for this one. All right, let's do another one. Stop the video at any time and try it on your own. You might be surprised at what you can already do. All right, we're going to prime factor the 196. The only thing I know of that goes into 196 is 2. So I'm just going to start out with 2. And that's going to give me 2 times 98. So again, the only thing I know that goes into 98 is a 2. So that'll be a 2 times 49. Bring down those 2's, and then I've got a 7 times 7. Now x to the 4th is 4x. Excuse me, 4x is not 5. So there is what's in the house. All right. Again, this is a square root. We're going to pull out pairs. So I'm going to pull out a pair of 2's, a pair of 7. There they are. They're stuck together like glue because remember, Crazy Mama's not going to let you out of the house. Y'all can't go anywhere until you have your buddy, and you just have to stay dressed alike, looked alike, and you stay together. So they get out. And they get out. Well, look, everybody's out. There's nobody left at home. Everybody's out. I'm going to put this all back together, and that's going to give me 14x to the second. And that's my official answer for this one. And notice that I don't have to write the little box or anything because everybody's out of the house. I don't have to write the house because nobody's in there. Okay? 196 is a perfect square. It is on your list of perfects. So, again, if you don't know your perfects, that's fine. The procedure will work. The procedure will work. All right, next one. This one is slightly different. We have a 3 right here. The others had the understood 2. There was an understood 2 in here, and so we pulled out pairs or twins. And so this one, we have a 3, so we're going to do triplets. going to do triplets this time. Okay, so now let's watch this one. We're going to do the same thing. This time we're going to do 12 times 10. That seemed to be what came to me first. You could do something different. And then that's 2 times 6. And that's 2 times 5. And so there's the 2. 2 times 3 for that. Another 2. Oh, 5 doesn't break. Another 5. Okay. All right. So here we go. We've got ours, but this one we've got 3 to get out. This mama is a little crazier than the other mama. She says you have to have 3 to get out of the house because she's extra protective. So the 3 get together. Here they are. There's 3 all dressed together, all dressed alike, and they get out. The rest of them don't. Now notice I wrote that little baby 3 there. If he's not there, you're in trouble. This 3 and this 3 become a 15. Now that is your official answer for this one. All right. So I hope this helps. This is video number 2 in a sequence of videos for section 10-3 for Math 100. All right. Look for video number 3 in a few minutes.